Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to revise lesson 1-5. Solve real world problem involving ratio. A school survey showed that 4 out of 5 students own a bicycle. Based on this result, how many of the 800 students in a school own a bicycle? So we have 4 out of 5. Now how many bicycles will be there? If the total is 800, we are going to multiply 804 and divide with 5. Now we know that 8 times 4 is 32, so it will become 3200 divided by 5. Now you will do long division and your answer will be 640. So there are 640 students in a school who own a bicycle. A school survey of Mr. Thone's class shows that 5 out of 8 students will buy lunch today. Based on this result, how many of the 720 students in the school will buy today? So we have to find the number of students who are going to buy the lunch. The first fraction is 5 out of 8 and the second one is number of students over total number of students, that is 720. So now 720 times 5 divided by 8. First you will multiply 720 with 5. You can pause the video and try solving this. Your answer should be 3600. Now divide it with 8. Now the next step is doing long division. Again you can pause the video, try long division and your answer will be 450. So 450 students are going to buy lunch that day. The ratio of the number of baskets made by Tony to the number of baskets by Colin is 2 to 3. Tony made 10 baskets. How many baskets did Colin make? You have to keep one thing in mind when the ratio comes. The first number is for Tony to Colin. So 2 will come up for Tony and 3 will be with Colin. Now, what change is there? The change is there for Tony. You have 10 new baskets for Tony, so it will come up. Okay, right, for Tony, if here the fraction is first, in the second place also you will write 10 first, and how many will be there for Colin. Now in this case we will multiply 3 times 10 and divide it with 2. 3 10 times is 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 gives you 15. So Colin will make 15 baskets. In a school church, there is one boy for every 4 girls and there are total 11 boys. How many girls are there in the church? So the ratio of boys to girl is 1 to 4 and now there are 11 boys. How many girls will be there? So if you look here, there is another easy method to solve it. We will see how 1 became 11. 1 multiplied by 11 is 11. So you will do the same thing. 4 times 11 will give you 44. So the answer is 44 girls. And if we are using the same method as we did in the previous questions, you are going to multiply 4 times 11. That is 44 divided by 1. That will again give you the same answer, 44 girls. So it doesn't matter which method you are using, your answer should be correct. Liberty Middle School has 600 students. In Anna's class, 3 out of 8 students walk to school. How many students at the school can be expected to walk to school? So the ratio is 3 out of 8. 3 students from 8. Now the total students became 600. Now what you will do? 3 times 600 divided by 8. 3 times 6 is 18, so 3 multiplied by 600 is 1800 divided by 8. Now pause the video for 1 minute, try doing long division and get the answer. Your answer should be 225 students. So there are 225 students that are expected to walk to school. Pine Hill Middle School has 300 students. In Zoe class, 2 out of 5 students belong to a club. How many students at the school would expect to belong to a club? I will suggest you to pause the video and try to solve this question yourself. Then when you get an answer, you can check your work with my work. So we have a fraction 2 out of 5, that is going to be how many students belong to a club when the total is 300. Now 300 times 2 divided by 5. 300 times 2 will give us 600. 600 divided by 5 is 120 students. In a survey, the ratio of a student who prefer popcorn to potato chips is 3 to 4. If the number of students surveyed who prefer popcorn is 360, so first we will write the ratio, that is prefer popcorn is 3 and potato chips is 4. How many preferred potato chips? We have popcorn. So popcorn is the numerator. So 360 is our numerator, and how many potato chips will be there? That we have to find. Now we will multiply 4 multiplied by 360 and then divide it with 3. It will give you 1440 divided by 3. Now you will do the long division to simplify it and your answer will be 480. In a neighborhood, the ratio of houses with swing sets to houses without swing sets is 3 to 5. If the number of houses with swing set is 270, how many houses do have swing sets? So swing set is 3 and houses are 5. Like out of 5 houses, 3 houses has swing sets. If there are 270 swing sets, how many total houses are there? You will multiply 270 with 5, then divide it with 3. It gives you 1350. Divided with 3, you will get 450. So there are total 450 houses.